money manifestation, root chakra clearing and healing. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Stabilizing your root chakra. And it's important to remember that your root chakra is your financial center. If that is unstable, unhealed, that can create friction with receiving money, holding money, manifesting money. So we're just going to go in and we're going to relax your nervous system. We're going to invite your root chakra to ground. You might feel an adjustment in your energy. Take another deep breath in and let it go. And I invite you to focus on your root chakra, which is all the way down by your tailbone. Connecting with your root chakra. Just connect with your root chakra. Feeling your root chakra. Does it feel stable, unstable? Stay connected with your root chakra. And then I would invite you to speak to your root chakra and ask your root chakra what you would like it to support you with. So for example, divine root chakra, I would love you to support me, to help me anchor into higher money months. So maybe you have a desired amount, maybe it's $20,000 a month. Divine root chakra, I would love you to support me to hold $20,000 a month, receive $20,000 a month. It's important to remember that you can communicate with your body, your mind, your soul to get all aspects of you on board. Now you can tap into all of your chakras, divine chakras, whatever amount of money, divine chakras. I would love you to hold, support me to receive $20,000 a month and always something better. So when you connect to your energy, connect to your power centers, your energetic centers, it's going to create a space for your whole being to be on track. It's going to create a space for all of your frequency and your vibration to start working for that higher divine goal. So I truly believe that it's very important to make sure that all parts of you are on board with your dreams and your desires and manifestations. And it goes up to your mind too. Mind, body, soul. I invite you to 100% support me to receive and hold $20,000 a month and always something better. And when you say it, you might feel your whole body adjusting. This is when your spirit team starts to create these timelines and these avenues. And not only they're already created, but it's allowing you to anchor into them. Because your ego will keep you in that same place that feels comfortable if you don't ask for what you truly desire. So it's important to ask for what you truly desire. It's important to get all of you on board with what you truly desire. If this feels and aligns and connects to you, make sure you sign up for my free quantum healing. It's July 8th via Zoom, all free. All you have to do is click the link in my bio, put in your email, and you'll receive a link to join us via Zoom. And we're going to talk about more of these beautiful insights, quantum shifting, nervous system resets, money, ancestral lineage. It's going to be a big, beautiful, divine quantum healing experience just to help you move forward as your solo being as well as for the collective, because when we rise within our grids, our minds, our bodies, it gives access to the collective to rise as well. And it's also remembering that we are here to come and work as a beautiful divine collective to help the earth ascend. So I'm calling forward the beautiful souls that would like to take part in this really amazing experience to once again not only help ourselves rise but help the collective rise as a whole, to bring higher level timelines to everyone in this beautiful divine world. So if that resonates with you, make sure to join the beautiful divine quantum healing. If you have any questions about it, feel free to drop them below or send me a DM. And if you have any questions about this video, feel free to drop them below or send me a DM. We're going to do a little bit more of just anchoring your chakra, your chakras. So now whatever number you're desiring to make monthly, I invite you to see it in your crown chakra. So drop it in your crown. Now drop it in your third eye. Drop it in your throat chakra. And we're inviting these to the front and the back of your chakras, because you have your front chakras and your back chakras. Whew. Drop it in your heart chakra, front and back. Drop it in your solar plex, the middle of your stomach, front and back. And your solar plex is your power center, so we're going to stay here for a little bit longer, and we're going to get your solar plex nice and comfy with this beautiful number. Beautiful. Now taking that number, dropping it in your sacral chakra, right under your belly button. Front and back. I'm really inviting your sacral chakra to open to receive that beautiful money. Beautiful. Now taking it down into your root chakra. Placing that number there. Good. And now we're going to go one step forward into your womb space, which is your hips, so your hips all the way down to your feet, depending if you're male or female. Beautiful. And now I invite you to just see that number on the floor, and then imagine yourself standing on it. Imagine yourself standing on that beautiful number. And now I invite you to say it out loud. So for example, if you're calling in $20,000 a month, say this out loud. Divine God Source, universe of all there is, you don't have to say the light language. I now choose to 100% embody $20,000 and always something better. Because remember, when you embody it, you become a magnet to it. So if you're embodying $500 a month, then that's what you're matched to. If you're embodying $50,000 a month, then that's what you're matched to, right? Going even deeper into that, how do you embody that, right? It's depending on what your thoughts, beliefs, narratives, contracts, oaths, mission, vows, allegiances, alliances are saying. And this is also why I invite you to sign up for the Quantum Healing, the free experience, because we're going to go deeper into this and I can really break it down for you. So, if your thoughts are, I'm a money magnet, money comes to me easily, obviously you're going to have a different experience with money. But if your thoughts right now are money's hard to come by, money comes in and it goes out just as fast, things along that line, money is evil, ancestral lineage stuff, then that's exactly how your money relationship is going to show up in your external reality. Whatever your relationship with money is internally, it's going to show up externally. So this is why I believe quantum healing and light language, obviously meditation, channeling really helps individuals move forward, because it's an energetic shift internally, right? You're shifting your energy, you're shifting your mind, you're shifting your body, you're shifting your beliefs, right? And that's why I've seen myself and so many of my clients and, beautiful friends and family rapidly shift, because we're going straight to the source, right? One more deep breath in. And say it out loud again. I now choose to fully 100% embody $20,000 and always something better monthly. Whatever your number comes, you get to become it, and then your external reality shifts rapidly. So make sure you sign up for that beautiful quantum healing so that we can go even deeper into this magic. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions on this, feel free to drop them in the comments or send me a beautiful divine DM. My name is Melissa. I'm a beautiful divine angelic plus galactic channel, quantum healer, light language facilitator and activator. I've been doing this for 5+ years, so this is my cup of tea, and I'm very excited to help you shift. I will see you on the other side. See you inside the beautiful life.